What's up, guys? It is December 2nd. Of course, Cherish is December 2nd. What's up, guys? It's December 2nd, Vlogmas Day 2, and I'm wearing my Christmas tree if you couldn't tell. I don't know what the plans are for today. All I know is I look a mess. Yesterday, I found my other necklace. Like, I buy so many necklaces, or I get so many, and then I lose them, and then end up finding them when I buy a brand new necklace, which I hate. Those are tornado sirens. It's the first Wednesday of the month, and I live in the Midwest, so wait for those to go. Okay, they seem to suffice to shut up a little bit, so now I can talk. Look at my Apple Watch. So I did that thing that I saw this on TikTok a long time ago, like in 2019, but you just take a scrunchie and you cut it and then you put your Apple Watch through, and I was like, that's cute, because my band was looking a little dirty, so I think I'm gonna do that. But I just got done uploading Vlogmas Day 1, and that took forever because my internet was super slow, so I had to do all this stuff, and it was just so annoying, but I got that up. Okay, y'all, so tell me why I decided at 2 o'clock in the afternoon to take my ass back to sleep. And guess what time it is? 9 o'clock. And I had stuff planned for today, but I mean, the rest was well deserved because I was up. I woke up at 7 o'clock. No, last night I went to sleep at like 2 editing, and then I woke up at 7 because my video wasn't uploading properly. Okay, my video wasn't uploading properly. So then I was just tired, so I went back to sleep. But I'm still gonna do what I had plans for you guys. I was gonna show you guys how I get my, like, you're coming straight from the hair salon, like blowout type of look, but without using a blow dryer, because I know not many people know how to really do that. My mom's a hairstylist, so I actually don't have to do that myself. So, but I'm gonna show you how I do it when she's not around, but with the flat iron, because it's really easy. I think it's not really cute, so I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, that's better. I'm gonna show you guys how I do my, you guys already know, I told you in the last clip. You don't want to shut up. I'm gonna go on Netflix because I'm not gonna talk the entire time. But, oh, and you guys will have to get used to this. I wear sweatpants, pajama pants every damn day of my life, so yeah. But this is the shirt that I cropped in Vlogmas Day 1 if you want to go watch that vlog. But I haven't straightened my hair, done nothing to it for like a couple of days because I haven't been doing anything. I just let it sit basically. But I wanted to show you guys this routine, film it, because I also wanted to do some TikToks too. And let me know if you guys want me to do like a shower routine video, or like, you know, just like certain stuff like that. Cause I will do that because I want to do like a lot of beauty related stuff during Vlogmas, because I don't know, I just love beauty stuff, fashion, so I can most definitely incorporate that into the Vlogmases too. But I still am going to be posting my main channel, like regular videos too. So, and this flat iron, I don't know where it's from. My mom got it in a hair class, I think. But I'm going to leave the link down below and I'll just put it on the screen because I know it's this lady on Instagram. But I'm just going to let her heat up. If you guys want like a straight hair routine, like when I wash it, blow dry, straighten it, like all that, and the products I use, definitely let me know because I can do that for you guys. This is just a quick little tutorial of how I do mine. Look like you just came from the salon, you know? Alright, so first I'm just gonna part my hair. My hair looks so much better in a side part, but I kind of feel like doing a middle part. I don't know. My hair's a little beady pretty yet. I think we could do the middle part if we bring those in. Hopefully we don't look like Lord Farquaad. I think the middle part could work. Are you guys excited for season 2 of Euphoria? Because as a big girl, I know I am. Not season 2, but like a little something they're giving us. Okay, so this is what I do. So I part my hair in the back. I'm gonna turn around for you guys in a second, just so you can see. You can't even see really. You know what? I'm just gonna start with a little section in the back. That's what I do. And I'll show you. You guys can see from right here. You don't really need to see the back. And this flat iron vibrates, like, listen. You see that? I don't really remember the science behind it, but if I remember, I'll tell you guys. All right, this is what I do. Comb out this piece, and I let the comb guide me through so I don't have to get the creams. And I just do this on my roots, because my roots get really curly. And I just follow myself down. And right here, this is where I take my flat iron and I just kind of curl it up like that. And it gives me that cute little curl. Okay, so depending on how high up you do the curl, so let's say you start doing the curl from up here, your hair's gonna be curlier, like it's gonna like do an actual curl. But if you just want the bumped ends, wait till you get down a little farther. I just kind of like the effect of like the curly looking ends just a little bit. I really like that. Okay, so like right here is where I'll start to like just curl it a little bit and bump it. Huh? Alright, so there's that. God, look at that little bump. Look at that. Look at that. That's cute. Alright, whatever. Okay, so I've been using my phone to film because I have a new computer and it doesn't have a USB port for me to import videos from my DSLR, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. But I do not feel like going to go buy a whole thing from Apple for $80. I'm just not in the mood for that, so we're most definitely gonna wait on that. And the phone quality is pretty good, so I'm really tripping. Yourself, a merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas. Oh, 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 oh. We go, we go. That's the only thing that I don't like about filming on my phone, is that I run out of storage so quickly. Okay, now that we look like somebody daddy, just gotta fluff it out just a little bit. Break your fingers through it, just pick at it, pull it apart just a little bit, just so it doesn't look so put together. Now this isn't really like a blowout, this is more of like, I don't really know. But there's different ways you can tweak the flat iron into getting that like blowout look. I think you just gotta do like a just like a halfway bump instead of doing a full curl, but I just like the look of doing a full curl. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. Hold on, let me get in the light because it looks good with the light. So this is what it looks like. I like it. Just little curl, just a little something. You know, she moves, she has body. See, she has some body to her. She's cute or whatever. Don't mind these highlights. I need them touched up ASAP. So if you guys want to go over to my mom's Instagram and blow up her phone and tell her to re-highlight my hair, because I'm walking around looking a mess. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna put on some, like, you guys can't see me because my ring light's facing that way. You know what? Who cares? Ooh. Okay. So I'm gonna take some pictures and do some TikToks. So I'm just gonna line my lips and stuff. And this is a contour stick. I don't usually use this, but this is in my bathroom. So you guys, this is my favorite lip gloss. It's from Victoria's Secret. Oh, snaps. I don't know, like, I like it, but then I feel like I also look kind of like a grandma. I can't tell, but the curls look good, so not really tripping. So we're gonna make a TikTok. Okay, y'all, so I just made a couple of TikToks, and when I tell y'all I'm feeling myself right now, okay. I don't know what I'm gonna do for the rest of the night, so I'm just gonna end today's vlog right here. Hope you guys enjoyed this little hair routine. I really don't know what the title of this video is gonna be because at first I was gonna show you how I do like a little blowout, but then I just decided to just do curls into my hair. So who knows what we're gonna call it. These kind of remind me of curtain bangs because I already have like shorter pieces right here because I have bangs that are growing out because I've always had bangs, but they're just longer bangs. So when you curl them, they just kind of give you that little curtain bang look. Just that, you know, just a little bit. But who knows what the title of this video is gonna be. But I'm getting today's vlog right here. Hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas Day 2. Be ready for Vlogmas Day 3. Subscribe and talk to you guys later. Mwah.